Waterfront turnkey multi-unit investment property. Cypress Point, a tropical paradise, awaits on this 0.81-acre parcel with water on 3 sides. This peninsula-shaped property is located on the wide water of Taylor Creek, about 1 minute by boat from Lake Okeechobee, the bay's capital of the world. Units include a CBS 2/1, a restored 1940s 2/1 Cracker Cottage, 3 manufactured homes, 1 lot which is rented, and 4 docks. All units have separate electric meters and are fully furnished. Many are rented to long-term tenants. Property is gated and beautifully landscaped with huge Cypress Tress. Perfect property for owner, manager, or investor. Loads of potential with Bass Pro Resort coming soon to Okeechobee.